Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the middle mouse button is not working properly on your Windows 10 device. So if you're trying to use something for scrolling up and down web pages and your middle scroller is not working, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it and start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in mouse. Best match should come back with change your mouse settings above system settings. You want to left click on that one time, wait for the settings window to open up here, and then underneath related settings left click on additional mouse options. Now you want to go over and select wheel. So roll the wheel one notch to scroll the following number of lines at a time, and horizontal scrolling. Make sure it's set to exactly how you see it on my screen right here. And if you want to make sure you have the hardware in here as well, make sure it's set up here as well. And you can play around with some of this stuff as well, so select your primary button. That really doesn't have to do with the middle roller though. So if you're still experiencing problems, I would suggest going back into the start menu, type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager above control panel. You want to left click on that one time. And now that we are in Device Manager, I would recommend extending the mice and other pointing device section. So whatever your pointing device or mouse is in here, I'd recommend right clicking on it and then uninstall device. Left click on uninstall. Then I would recommend you guys restart your computer, and when you restart your computer it should automatically re-download the drivers for the mouse or mice depending on singular or plural tense. But I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.